Rosewater has become such a huge trend lately, and I'm going to show you how to make it instead of spending like $7 to $10, $15, and you can just make a couple of these bottles right here. So first off, obviously you're going to want to buy roses. You can buy a dozen of them. That's what I usually do. Then you're going to want to rinse them. So as you see, I am pulling them off the stems and I am just rinsing them under some cool water. Personally, I like adding a little extra to my rose water, and that's one of the reasons why I enjoy actually making it myself. Sometimes I will add some fresh rosemary, or I will add some clove bulbs to the rose water, which is actually what I end up doing. So sometimes I like to go the extra mile, and today I'm going to use my Veggie soak spray that I use for my fruits and vegetables, and I'm going to spray these rose petals. Some people like to clean them with vinegar, and I kind of don't like the slight smell that it gives off, so this soak gives me no smell and it makes them super clean. Next, I'm going to grab a deep pot. I wish my pot at my mom's house was a little more wide. It would have made this whole thing go a little easier, but it's okay. So this deep pot works, and then you're going to get a little bowl that can obviously go on the stove, add some water, and then I'm going to stick it right here on my stove. I'm going to turn the fire up on high for a hot second. Then in about a minute or two, I will turn it down. So next you want to put your lid on upside down, and you're going to add some ice cubes. So this is going to help draw the moisture up quicker to the top, and then it'll drop down into a little bowl that you placed in there. So you're going to wait till all your ice melts, usually anywhere between 10-15 minutes. Just kind of watch it. Don't walk away like I kind of did and slightly messed up my entire thing as I was recording. So this is me just being authentic, because this is not what we want. Do you see how dark it is? Okay, yes, you can use rose water for other parts of your body when it looks like this, but you want it to be clear. So I left the fire on too long. I walked away and helped one of my kids, and I forgot about it. So we're going to redo the process. And I decided not to edit out my mistake, because I'm just going to say to show you what not to do. That was my goal. Anyways, but this is what you want. So as I'm pouring that water into another bowl, you can slightly see that this bowl looks like it's empty, but it's actually the clear rose water, which is what you want. So next you're going to want to add it into your spray bottle, your choice. I would say do glass. It'll help preserve it longer. Usually your rose water will last anywhere from 3 weeks to maybe a month and a half, kind of depending. But see, nice and clear. This is what you want, not the stuff behind it, because how embarrassing, y'all. Don't forget to label it, and you want to put the date that you made it, or you can put the date that it expires. Maybe the expiration part would have made more sense, but this is what it looked like, all filled, all done. And then I'm just gonna spray my face. Now, yes, I am wearing makeup, not because I need makeup to show you what my face looks like. I was just working, and so I had makeup on, but that's how I spray it. With this rose water, I do not wash my face in the morning anymore, and I have noticed a huge improvement in like my acne scars and just my overall face glow. So I'll pick up in the morning and I will just spray my face. Like, girl, it looks like I sprayed my face, okay? And then after that, I will go ahead and do the rest of my morning routine. And then turn around for at nighttime, I will wash my face, cleanse my face, spray the rose water, and then go on with my nighttime routine. Because I am slightly nosy, I have got to know if you tried this, if you tried a different rose water, and if you added clove or rosemary, which I did do, but I didn't throw in this video. I want to know. Anyways, bestie, I hope you have an amazing day or night or wherever you are in this amazing world, and we will chat later. Bye.